Watch as this man has major problems at the Delta Airlines counter before receiving a shocking occurrence. On January 9th, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Why do you black people get away with this shit, but I don't?
Sorry, what's going on?
He's fucking with me.
Are you flying in or out?
I'm flying out to Pittsburgh. I said I gotta go see my niece.
What time
and
is your
I
flight?
just watched him. He said,
what time is your flight?
12:30. I'm already late. And I on my camera, it's still recording now. I just watched a black dude.
Stop talking, be quiet, be quiet.
He can't go until tomorrow.
Well, you can say that, but I gotta do it on the camera. I'm doing nothing wrong. I'm not drunk at all. I'm stoned, yeah. I smoked weed before I came here. Who gives a fuck? Everybody's stoned. Who gives a fuck about this?
He's on the to the right, all the way down to the double.
No, I can't accept that. I gotta go see my niece tomorrow. I just watched him. You can see it's still recording.
Well, listen,
He is being racist. He's being racist on this video camera. Yeah, it is. I have it recorded. I have it recorded. I have it recorded. I'm gonna keep it recording.
They deny you flying right now?
I'm not drunk at all. What's the matter? I'm stoned, but I'm not drunk. And I have it on video. You can see right here. 4 minutes, 15 seconds.
Did you check a bag?
You can check my bag. I don't care. I have nothing in my bag.
Get your bag.
I missed my flight. I'm
bag
supposed to
and
see
let's
my
go.
niece. I'm supposed to because of this racist.
Get your bag and let's go.
Where am I going?
Come on, to the front.
No, I'm going on the next flight.
Put your hand behind the bag.
All right, I'll go get my
Get your bag.
Is it because both of you are black?
Get your bag and let's go.
He's black. Fuck you, dude. Knock it off.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Don't sue me, please.
20T, Keys Army EMS at T2. One white male bleeding from the head. Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to Atlanta. Welcome to Atlanta. All connections are to your right. All connections to your right. Welcome to Atlanta.
Sure, I'm a good man. Can't please see my niece? I wasn't attacking you. Come on, man. I never attacked you. You tackled me. Fucking my shoulder. Please, let me just go see my niece. I don't care about a lawsuit.
703 and MS 26. You get tased. Take James' phones out and then hit his head when you feel.
Okay. You take the probes out. Alright.
You're very intoxicated too.
That's what it's in my niece.
How many probes you got? 2 of them?
Should be total 4.
Total 4. One's on here, around here.
Hello, welcome to Atlanta. All gates are to the right.
Bring your head up, are you okay?
Atlanta, all gates are to the right.
You can go ahead and just give it to me on my camera.
Okay.
Tell Tell me what you witnessed before I got here.
I was sitting here at the gate at T-Concourse on T2. I witnessed the male arguing with the Delta manager up there, saying that he was being discriminated against stuff. I observed Officer Graham come up and ask him to step away from the counter. He didn't want to step away at that time. Officer Graham asked him to go over and get his bag. He refused to go over to get his bag. Officer Graham attempted to put handcuffs on him at the ticket counter. He turned and went toward his bag, still running his mouth, being belligerent. Officer Graham then asked him to go get his bag a second time. He didn't do it that time. Officer Graham attempted to put him in handcuffs again. They both went down to the ground, and then he stood up and started trying to get away from Officer Graham at that time, in which Officer Graham used taser to get him under compliance.
Sir, got your ID?
I do.
Check his stomach here. That's not bleeding. Yeah.
Trying to please you to see my niece. That's all I want to do. I'm not going to get anybody in trouble. I just want to go see
You're
my
not
niece.
going today, sir. I told you they rescheduled your flight tomorrow. Let's stand up. And then you stand up from it, all right?
Can you do my left side?
Your left side. One, two, three.
Airport communications being used in reference to permission to park your front door U6 inner lane on a black Mercedes. Pennsylvania tag him up.
Appreciate it, sir.
No, appreciate you, man.
All right. Come on, step out the car. That's the problem. That's why this happened. You won't listen. All you had to do was do what I asked you to do. It told you couldn't fly because you were clearly intoxicated. You could barely walk. So, on the T-gate, that's Fulton County or that's,
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.